Hello everyone, welcome back to Curl Live with another cardio boxing workout. My name is Kamal, she is Gurman. Both of us will be leading a workout today. I am going to show you the advanced movement and Gurman will be helping out with the scale down movement. Alright guys, in today's cardio boxing workout, we will start with warm up, main workout, core, end with the cool down.
So if you are new athletes, we want you guys to go slow and stick to the scale down movement which I will be performing, and also keep a water bottle and a towel nearby.
Let's begin with warm up.
So in warm up, we have 4 movements. Each movement will be doing for 30 seconds, back to back 2 rounds without any break.
The first movement is deltoid rotation. So from here, fold your arms and forward and back. 2 times forward, 2 times back. Next one is bend down T-spine rotation. So stand tall, bend down, arms up and keep doing the same. Okay,
now third one is jumping jacks. So what you want to do, while taking your arms up, you have to extend your legs, then again back. Scale down version, go for step or jumping jacks. The last one is ground touch squats. So what you have to do is feet together while extending your legs. You have to touch the ground, then back, then again touch the ground from the other arm. For new athletes, you simply go for air squats.
Time for the main workout.
Okay, so in main workout, we have 5 movements. So first 2 movements is 50 seconds each, in which we'll be doing 40-second combination and 10-second cardio workout. So 2 rounds of boxing combination, then rest of 3 rounds are conditioning work, where we'll be working on our core and low body conditioning. So like this, we have 3 sets, and after each round 10-second breather, and after each set we have 30-second breather.
Okay guys, the first combination is jab, lead hook and cross. So here, jab, lead hook and cross, okay? For the new athlete, go with step pendulum. For the advanced athlete, start with pendulum. Now, next combination is jab, chin uppercut and cross. With your boxing stand, jab, chin uppercut and cross, okay?
Next one is swing jump. So what you're going to do, again with the boxing stance, here we're doing a swing, just make a U and take a jump, and again swing and again jump. So swing, jump and swing, jump. For new athletes, simply go for swing.
Only swing, okay?
Yeah. The next one is butterfly sit-ups. So for advanced athletes, just make a butterfly, your heels together, go all the way down, then come fully up. For new athletes, just simply go for normal sit-up, and if still it's not possible, just go for crunches, okay? Let's do this. Now next one is punches plus squat jack. What we have to do is shoulder width stance. We'll be going for 4 punches, jab cross, then go down in squat, and then jab. 1, 2. Then again up, then again 4 punches, and again squat jack. For new athletes, 4 punches and 1 air squat. Okay, now we'll be starting with core and cardio. So here we have 4 movements. Each movement is of 30 seconds each, without any break. Like this, we have 3 sets, and after each set, we have only 20-second breather. So the first movement that we're going to do is run on place. What you have to do is, you have to run as fast as possible, okay? Run on the spot. For new athletes, just simply go for spot jog.
Yeah.
After this, we have flutter kicks. What you want to do, lay down back, arms beside your hips. From here, you'll be taking your legs up and down. For new athletes, just simply hold here in a leg raise hold. After this, we have scissors. So you'll be doing scissors, okay? And again, new athletes can hold here in leg raise hold. The last one that we have is bicycle crunches with straight legs. So here, you'll be keeping your one leg straight, other leg parallel to the ground, and do the same thing. For new athletes, go for normal crunches.
So remember guys, after each movement, we have no break and we have back-to-back 3 rounds.
Yes.
After 1 set, we have only 20-second break. So we have finisher 1 minute 30 seconds. Finisher is quad rockers.
Okay, so in finishers, what you're going to do, it's a 90-second, that is 1 minute 30-second finisher. You have to go down in V-store position, your palm at the shoulders, your knees to hips, take your knees off the ground. From here, go back, sit on a calf, and then come up in full line. Inhale while going back, and exhale while coming up. For new athletes, while going back, you can simply drop your knees, and then while coming forward, raise your knees, okay? Back, and then forward, back to back for 90 seconds.
Time for cool down, recovery.
Catch your breath. Okay, so meanwhile, I will explain you the movement. So the first one that we're going to do is world greatest static stretch. So go down high plank, bring your one leg forward and just hold there. For new athletes, they can drop their back knee on the ground and do the same. Next one is leg pull stretch. So fold your leg and hold your toe. Hold it 15 seconds. Now stand up. Let's start with shoulder stretch. So here, press the left shoulder towards the right and hold it for 15 seconds. Last movement, wrist and bicep stretch. So guys, we are done with today's workout. We hope you all have enjoyed it. So this workout was focused on low body burn. Now we will see in the next workout, again some new technique work. Until then,
keep practicing. Let's call We Are Cult. 3, 2, 1.
We are cult.
Thank you.